Leo, good day. My name is Alan Tang. I'm from Hong Kong. I'm the CEO, co-founder of Intelligent Motion. My wife, Shireen, and myself moved to here with our two daughters 4 months ago. We want them to have a better life, better education. After we evaluate many places, we found Canada is one of the top in our list.
When we have made the decision to come to Canada, actually I'm very, very excited because I've all along very admired the living environment and the education here. Both of us will need to do a lot of planning together and so that we'll have a good landing here.
And at the same time, for my business, I find North America has a potential to expand my creativity and also my products. But lucky I arrived at the right place in the Durham region, especially the Oshawa. There are many the government and also many organizations put a lot of focus on mobility and transportation, automotive, which is my field. My company is an R&D company focusing in micro-mobility. We do design and engineering. Me myself is an automotive designer. I work in several automotive maker before, such as BMW and Volkswagen. And now is my journey to create products for my own creativity. The first day of the online training by Synergy Lab, the Pioneer program, they introduced us not about the business. It's about how you live in Canada or what to do when you first arrive. So I remember the first class, the first session of the training is to introduce us what is Durham region. And it's really important because I know about the business, the market here, but I don't know how to live here. And the Synergy Lab, the Pioneer program, actually introduced the first important thing to all of us, including my family. So how do we live here? Then step by step, they provide quite a lot of information regarding to accounting, finances, and also how we start the business, how we pitch a presentation and build up our LinkedIn page, build up our network. So overall, in the first short program, we have a really informative and a useful guideline for us to kickstart.
And so by working with these entrepreneurs in the way that we offer supports to really help them realize this vision that they see of coming to a new country is something that you cannot experience anywhere else. We get to see them from this initial interview where they're considering participating in our programming. And we see how nervous they are and how worried they are because, again, they're putting their whole life on the line. And then we get to see them grow and flourish through programming where they come out of their shell and they're less worried about, well, my English isn't that great, so I don't want to speak. And they're conversing and they're laughing and they're connecting with one another. And then we get to see them come here and start their businesses and grow, and to feel like you've had a small piece in that journey is something that is extremely rewarding for me.
In the online training, I find it is already very helpful because we meet people. I met another two companies. They're also coming. And there's another one from Hong Kong. They're considering coming and also ask me questions. And this is how startups start.
So by the end of their journey, they become our friends. They become an extension of our family. By the time they get here and they walk through our doors, I mean, very often it's to open arms and we're hugging, and they've brought gifts from their home country because they're excited to share their culture with us as much as we've been telling them about our culture here. And so it's really exciting to see.
Synergy Lab is like a lighthouse of all the startups cruising in the ocean. And the Pioneer program is a map, really a map, because they have a lot of different programs to teach you the way to go.